welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a honey jar. Video on TikTok blew up. This is an old honey jar that I did that I still have. I don't know why I still have it. I don't need it anymore, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Be cautious because this is a love spell, more so like a come to me spell. They'll be hitting you up, you know, they're gonna be hitting you up, trying to come to you, etc. So the first thing that you want to do is get a jar. Glass jar works best, and then you're gonna want to cleanse it. I did not have a lighter, so I'm just demonstrating how to cleanse it. First thing you're gonna want to do is grab some petition paper. This hoodoo, you know about the brown paper. If you don't, get white paper. His name down 3 times. John Doe 3 times. You're done writing his name 3 times. You're gonna write your name over it 3 times as well. And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna write my name over his name 3 times. So my name is over his name 3 times. I want him to come to me, not the other way around. After you do that, you're going to fold the paper towards you 3 times. If you have any attraction oil, you can put it on the sides, the 4 corners. So this is just me folding it towards me 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Folding, I'm visualizing him calling me, doing what I need him to do. I'm gonna come see me. If I want him to take me out, that's what I'm doing. If you have some roses, or if you have anything that they gave you, any type of tag lock, add your hair, you gotta add a piece of your underwear, a pad if you're on your cycle, you gotta add their sock, anything correlating to what's going on. If you have roses that your lover gave you before, you gotta add some roses that they gave you in there to make it stronger. I'm also going to add some cinnamon because cinnamon invites love and passion. I'm just dropping my cinnamon in there. Also, I'm going to add coffee because coffee speeds up things. Honey moves really slow, so I'm adding coffee to speed things up. If you really want to speed things up, I would suggest a sugar jar, but honey is long lasting. It might take a while, but it also depends on how you work your jar. So after that's done, you're going to add your honey on top of your petition, and you're going to cover it. Lid all the way up. Make sure your petition is fully covered. You don't want any petition hanging out that's not covered. I'm just showing y'all me covering my petition with my honey. Demonstration only, so I did not put all the honey in there. So after your petition is covered with honey, one, you're going to have to put a nice amount, but then you're going to shake it up and you're going to want to tell it what to do. You can also visualize your outcome. I like to work my honey jars. I like to dance with them. I like to talk to them. I like to play songs that someone had, you know, told me about or played for me. I just like to visualize my outcome. You have to work your honey jar because honey moves so slow. It's not going to work if you don't really work it. Don't forget about it. You know, it is best to forget about the outcome, but you still have to work with it. Work with it as much as you can remember, but don't obsess over the outcome because once you obsess over the outcome, it pushes it further away. As I mentioned in the video before, I had a honey jar that worked in 2 days, but that's not the same for everyone. And I also work my honey jar. I dance, I listen to music, I shake, I do whatever I can. I put all my love and all my energy into this honey jar while telling it exactly what I wanted to do. You can also seal your honey jar by closing it with the lid and putting a red candle on top as the one that I showed in the first video or the beginning of the video. You can do it like that to seal the jar. But like I said before, please be cautious when it comes to doing work like this. And also if you are using any type of blood magic or any other types of magic, be very cautious, you know, with this. I have not, but I know it works.